5 will be the 16:15 Southeastern service to Hastings via Tunbridge Wells. Calling at Waterloo East, London Bridge, Sevenoaks, Tunbridge, High Grooms, Tunbridge Wells, Frant, Woodhurst, Stonegate, Etchingham, Robertsbridge, Battle, Crowhurst, Westminster, Warwick Square, and Hastings. This train has 8 coaches. Platform 5 offers 16:15 Southeastern service to Hastings via Tunbridge Wells.
Yeah, I don't know.
tapping, and instead of
No?
It's not going to work.
Oh. Sure. Oh.
100%. Very good.
Oh my God. Thank you.
You'll have to just go in the park up there, ain't you? Just go in the park. Yes.